Alright, let's start thinking about the flow of our presentation, how we plan to present it later on. To do that, we're going to talk about frames. And we can think of frames being like a slide in PowerPoint. You notice I went to the bubble menu and already selected the frame bubble, and there are 4 different types of frames that you can use. You could use a circle frame. Just a second, let me click on that again. There's a box, which is similar to our shape. There are brackets, and there are hidden frames. Now I prefer to use hidden frames because I want my content to be seen. I don't care about the edges of my frame being seen. So I'll put a hidden or invisible frame around my first box of step 1. To delete frames, you just click on the outside edge of them and press the delete key, or get the zebra to show up and press the delete key like that. Now I'm going to put a hidden frame around each box for each step, and so these are becoming like my slides that I'm going to show in a certain sequence and order, somewhat like PowerPoint, but with some twists and differences as well. And I'm going to draw one more frame around the whole thing, and that's something you wouldn't be able to do in a PowerPoint presentation so easily, to see the whole picture like that. Alright, and so now it's time to determine the order of my slides, which area I want to be seen first, second, third, and fourth, etc. So I'll go to my bubble menu, and I'm going to choose Path. And you notice on the bottom that a bar here appears down here. It's like a timeline, or if we're talking in PowerPoint terms, it's like a slide sorter. And so in the Path bubble, I'm going to click on, make sure the circle that's labeled Add is selected, and I'm going to click on the edge of my first frame. And notice that will go down to the timeline, or sorter if you want to use that terminology. And I'm going to click on my second frame, edge of my third frame, edge of my fourth frame, and then I'll finish with a zoom out on the whole picture together, like that. Alright, now to check it, I'm going to go down to the bottom right and click on Show. You have an option to go full screen. I'm not going to do that right now. And I click on the play button, and it advances to box 1 or step 1. I click again, step 2, and so on. And the final box should be a zoom out, just like that.